Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Tuition. Let us learn simple present tense. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କର? What do you do? What do you do? ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢ଼େ. I study lessons. I study lessons. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ବାସ କର? Where do you live? Where do you live? ମୁଁ ମୋ ଗାଁରେ ବାସ କରେ. I live in my village. I live in my village. ପିଲାମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି. The children go to school. The children go to school. ସୌରମଣ୍ଡଳରେ 8ଟି ଗ୍ରହ ଅଛନ୍ତି. There are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. ଆକାଶର ରଙ୍ଗ ନୀଳ ଅଟେ. The color of the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. ହରି କ'ଣ କରେ? What does Hari do? What does Hari do? Hari school যায়. Hari goes to school. Hari goes to school. Please subscribe.